Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Donna, and today we are going to talk about moving to a new home.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Donna, have you ever moved to a new home?
Yes, I have.
How did you feel?
I felt excited and a little nervous.
That is normal.
Yes, moving can be a big change.
Are you living in a new home now?
Yes, I moved last month.
Wow, that sounds exciting.
It was exciting and busy.
Did you have many boxes?
Yes, I had many boxes.
What was in the boxes?
Clothes, books, dishes, and decorations.
Books can be heavy.
Yes, very heavy.
Did your friends help you?
Yes, they helped me move.
That was nice of them.
I was very thankful.
What was the first thing you packed?
I packed my books first.
Why books?
Because I have many books.
That makes sense.
What about you, Wilbert?
I packed my clothes first.
That sounds easy.
Yes, clothes are easy to pack.
Did you use large boxes?
Yes, and also small boxes.
Small boxes are good for heavy things.
That is true.
Did you move far away?
No, only a short distance.
That was convenient.
Yes, it was.
Did you use a truck?
Yes, I rented a truck.
Was driving the truck difficult?
A little, but it was okay.
Good to hear.
Did you move with your family?
Yes, I moved with my family.
Was everyone busy?
Very busy.
Moving day can be stressful.
Yes, but it can also be fun.
What do you like about your new home?
I like the kitchen.
Why do you like it?
It is bright and clean.
That sounds wonderful.
There is also a big window.
Nice.
I can see the garden from the window.
I would like that too.
What is your favorite room?
My favorite room is the living room.
Why?
It is comfortable and quiet.
That sounds relaxing.
I like reading there.
I enjoy reading too.
Did you decorate your new home?
Yes, I did.
What colors did you choose?
I chose white and light brown.
Warm colors are nice.
Yes, they make the room feel cozy.
Did you buy new furniture?
Yes, I bought a new table.
Very nice.
What about you?
I bought a new chair.
Was it comfortable?
Yes, very comfortable.
Did you meet your neighbors?
Yes, I met them last week.
Were they friendly?
Yes, they were very friendly.
That is important.
I agree.
Good neighbors can help a lot.
That is true.
My neighbor gave me cookies.
That was kind.
Yes, I was very happy.
Let's talk about useful words.
Great idea.
The word move means to go to a new place to live.
The word move means to go to a new place to live.
Example sentence.
I moved to a new apartment.
Very good.
Another word is pack.
Pack means to put things into bags or boxes.
Example sentence. I packed my clothes yesterday.
Excellent.
Another useful word is unpack.
Unpack means to take things out of boxes.
Example sentence. I unpacked my books this morning.
Great example.
Let's learn another word.
Okay.
The word is neighbor.
A neighbor is a person who lives near you.
Example sentence. My neighbor is very friendly.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's talk about grammar.
Great idea.
Today I moved to a new home.
Yesterday, I moved to a new home.
Move is a regular verb.
We add ed to make the past tense.
Move becomes moved.
Here is another example.
Today I pack my books.
Today I packed my books.
Pack becomes packed.
Another regular verb.
Now let's look at an irregular verb.
Good idea.
Today I go to my new house.
Yesterday I went to my new house.
Go becomes went.
We do not add ed.
That is why it is irregular.
English has many irregular verbs.
Practice helps us remember them.
Let's talk about pronunciation.
Great.
The word comfortable can be difficult.
Many people say it as comfortable.
Try saying it slowly first.
Then say it faster.
Practice makes it easier.
Moving can also help us learn new things.
Yes, we learn about a new area.
We can find new parks.
New stores, too.
Maybe a new library.
Or a new coffee shop.
Exploring can be fun.
I agree.
What about you, listeners?
Have you ever moved to a new home?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your stories.
What was the hardest part of moving for you?
Carrying heavy boxes.
I understand.
What about you?
Cleaning the old home.
That takes time.
Yes, it does.
What was the best part?
Decorating the new place.
That sounds fun.
It was fun.
My favorite part was arranging my books.
Nice.
Everything felt fresh and new.
If you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It helps our channel grow.
Thank you for your support.
We really appreciate it.
Today, we learned many useful words.
We learned move, pack, unpack, and neighbor.
We also learned some grammar.
And pronunciation tips.
Moving to a new home can be a big adventure.
Yes, and it can bring new opportunities.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.